our Governor, Mamital Bombit Alonto Adiog Jr.
Thank you. Billahi min shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Magandang umaga at morning to everyone, and thank you for being here today, especially our friends from the media, whose presence ensures transparency, accountability, and awareness on matters of great importance to the people of Lanao del Sur. We are gathered today to address a serious and growing concern in our province: the unregulated and illegal mining and quarrying activities that have silently but steadily taken a toll on our environment, our natural resources, and the safety of our communities. A recent situational report has revealed that 17 municipalities in Lanao del Sur currently have existing quarry operations that are operating without necessary permits. Bukod sa pagiging labag sa batas, malaki rin ang nagdudulot nitong pinsala sa ating kalikasan. Mula sa pagkalbo ng kagubatan, pagbuo ng mga lupa, polusyon sa tubig, hanggang sa banta sa kabuhayan at kaligtasan ng ating mga komunidad. In addition, the surge of interest in resource extraction is evident, with 43 applicants from across the province expressing their intent to pursue quarrying and mining operations. The highest number of applications, 15 out of 43, are from Masio, Municipality of Masio, suggesting growing commercial interest in our land's natural resources. I want to emphasize, hindi po tutol ang pamahalang pandalawigan sa pagpunlad. Ngunit ito'y kailangan dumaan sa tamang proseso, alinsunod sa batas at may malinaw at balangkas ng responsibilidad para sa kalikasan at mamamayan. In light of this, I want to emphasize that today's announcement is not made in isolation. It is grounded in a clear legal and institutional framework. On July 10, 2025, we officially adopted the Manual of Operation of the Provincial Mining Regulatory Board, PMRB of Lanao del Sur. This document outlines the policies, processes, and standards for screening and qualifying all applicants and for issuing permits in accordance with the national and regional laws, including the Philippine Mining Act of 1995 and the BARM Environmental Code. It is in this context that we have formulated a decisive and long overdue executive order that I will now formally announce. Effective today, I will be signing an executive order mandating the following: all illegal large-scale and small-scale mining industries operating within the province of Lanao del Sur are hereby ordered to cease and desist from all of their operations effective September 1, 2025. All interested entities desiring to operate within this jurisdiction are hereby enjoined to immediately secure the necessary permits through the appropriate regulatory process as provided for in the PMRB Manual of Operation. All concerned agencies and offices, both at the provincial and municipal levels, are hereby directed to strictly enforce their order and ensure full compliance with the laws and regulations in effect. This is a strong and necessary measure. We owe it to our people, especially the next generation, to protect what remains of our environment. We must reverse the damage and rebuild public trust in our institution. Ito po ay hindi lamang isang utos, ito ay isang paninindigan. Paninindigan para sa kalikasan, paninindigan para sa batas, at paninindigan para sa kinabukasan. Sa harap ng lumalalang banta ng environmental degradation at illegal resource extraction, hindi po tayo mananahimik. Sa tulong ninyo at sa gabay ng batas at ng Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, magsasagawa tayo ng hakbang na makatarungan, makakalikasan at makabansa. The official signing of the executive order is a clear message that Lanao del Sur is moving forward with clarity, conviction, and collective resolve. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.